But we won't have time to go in detail in all of them, especially in the physiology part. Okay? So what's going to be the course for today? First, I'm going to remind you something. Remind you out of the primary and secondary hemostasis. So this is the course. As you know, as all my lectures, they're from my head. So sometimes I will maybe forget something to tell you, so I will jump back. But this, I'm going to write a course over here, so you can check it for me and tell me, hey, you forgot to mention this, okay? Okay. So first, I'm going to talk about von Willebrand's factor. Then I want to talk about thrombocytes. I want to talk about their function and everything. So thrombocytes. This is going to be physiology, and then we're going to jump to pathophys. So thrombocytes, coagulation cascade. Coagulation. 4, I want to go through anti-thrombotic mechanisms. Okay. 5, I want to go through tests. Tests for coagulation cascade and for bleeding and whatever. You can read that. Is it readable a bit, please? Okay. 6. I'm going to compare in very general disorders of primary versus secondary hemostasis. Okay, so this is going to be a general comparison, and then we're going to go deep into disorders. There's going to be many of them. We're going to go through disorders. That's going to be again thrombocytes. We're going to start with vessels, thrombocytes, coagulation cascade in the tail. And at the end, we're going to do a table which is going to compare them. Okay? So this is today's course.
So, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And as always, check the description below for supplementary questions and other materials.